Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Logitech Lift mouse. So we're going to do an unboxing with this device. It's actually quite a fascinating device. I've been meaning to get this device for quite some time. So finally I was able to get the device for myself. I wanted to get this device for health reasons, for a change, for ergonomics, but to understand that the traditional mouse just wasn't working for me anymore. So I wanted to get this device that would perhaps improve my health. I know that many of us probably struggle with this. Traditional mouse can sometimes leave your fingers feeling a little bit numb, and I didn't like this. So I started pursuing the option of getting the Logitech Lift. So what we wanted to do is just to have an unboxing. Unboxing was fairly simple, fairly straightforward. And the setting up of this device was also fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Now, this is the more basic version of this mouse. Logitech do have another version of this mouse, and it's a little bit more high quality. It's really high quality, in fact, and it's a lot more expensive. Now, this wasn't cheap in any means. I spent at least £60 or £55. So it's not necessarily cheap, but I believe for the benefits, I think it definitely outweighs the price. But also, if you consider the differences that it could make to one's life, I think that it's so far been worth it. So far, I've been using the mouse for at least a couple of weeks now, perhaps a week or two, and it's been really, really good so far. I really like the design. I got used to it fairly quickly. It didn't take me that long, and I was mostly concerned about how it would fit into my workflow. The thing I wasn't too sure about was the fact that this device uses a traditional battery. Now, previously, I've had the Logitech MX Master 2, I believe, and previously this has worked very well for me so far. I'm going to keep this mouse just in case I change my mind. If the Logitech Lift doesn't improve my health overall, then I might go back to the previous mouse. But so far, I must be honest, it's already feeling like it's made a difference because I'm no longer putting pressure on my wrist. So my primary focus was how would this mouse work in my daily workflow using Blender. I tend to do a lot of 3D designing. So using a 3D software, I was curious if it would work as I needed. And as you can see, I just opened Blender and I'm able to use the mouse quite normally. I'm able to navigate the scene, and I certainly didn't have any problems, and I just got used to it even more over time. So it really took me a matter of probably minutes just to get used to it. And then after a week, you can hardly tell the difference. Now it just comes as normal. It just feels like I've always used this mouse, which is truly impressive to see because I never thought it would be so easy to use. The design certainly doesn't give that impression. So I thought it might have had some difficulty in use, but I got used to it rather quickly. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I will see you in our next video.